Hello everyone. This is not my usual location because I was put into quarantine by Montclair State University. So I thought I'd use this opportunity to show you guys what an empty Blanton Hall room looks like without all of the stuff that I brought in. But if you do want to see a video of how my room looks like, not this one, but my actual room looks like in Blanton Hall with all the decorations and stuff, then I will be linking that video down below as well as up here. Any door in Blanton begins with this sort of lock, so you swipe your key, your ID, and then you punch in a number, and that lets you in. So here is the view of an empty Blanton Hall room. So, where do we begin? All right, so just for reference, that's the door, and over here we have the sink. So you have a mirror and a sink with a cabinet, and then this door is the door to the bathroom. And then over here, if you just come around, you have a thermostat over here on this side. Then you have a desk and a chair. They're up right now, so upside down, of course. And then over here, you have the one bed. And then you get a little dresser over here, and then kind of mirrored on the other side, bed, dresser, and then a desk. And then if you spin around this way, you have the two closets. They have some space for hangers, some shelves, and then a drawer at the bottom. This is what the mattresses look like with nothing on them. I'd say they're 6 or 8 inches tall. I'm not sure exactly. And then you get it's like a little springboard situation happening. They're not the worst mattresses, but I think having a nice mattress topper is wonderful. Now you do have this huge window, it's very long. So this one in particular faces the outdoors. There are some that face the inside, the indoors, with where the food court is. This is what the room looks from this side. The interesting thing is this side of the room is slanted because of the bathroom. And then this side of the room is completely flat. Yeah, the lights, I guess, are like that. And then you also have a light here, and they are separate. So this light switch turns this light on and off, and then that light switch turns this light on and off. And that's just a really brief overview. Okay, so this is the bathroom. So you have that door leads to the other room that's right on the other side. That's where I'm currently living. And this is the lock. And you gotta make sure you lock it on both sides and unlock it when you're done. Anyway, you get this lovely toilet. You have 2 light switches, a little toilet paper holder, but you gotta bring your own toilet paper. And then you have your shower. Of course, this is very tight, so I'm sorry about it. The shower curtains are here when you move in, so you don't have to worry about bringing that. And then you get this shower, and then that's what it looks like. You get 2 hooks on each side, 1, 2, and my towel is hanging here, and my loofah. Because there's 4 people living here, so they have enough for the 4 people. And there's a nice drain in the floor just because the shower water gets all over the place sometimes. And that's pretty much it. Now I have noticed that these rooms do differ a little bit. For example, my room right now this year is a little bit longer this way. So there's space on the side of the sink. And there's a bit more space between the desk and the bed, just a little bit over here. And another thing to note is that the furniture also differs sometimes. For example, this desk doesn't have a drawer here, but all of the desks I've ever had have a sliding drawer, and sometimes there will be different sizes, like different heights and stuff. So same with the dresser and the beds as well. You can change the height of these, but there are different kinds of beds. Some of them go higher, like these you can lift all the way up to here. But the bed I had my freshman year couldn't go any higher than this. So I couldn't fit as much under my bed just because the bed frame didn't have the ability to change height. And the windows also differ as well. The one I have right now in my room, you like crank it open and it like swings like outward, like that. And it's only like this little part of it. This one, I have no idea how it opens. The one in my quarantine room, like this one half, slides open. All right, everyone, I hope that this video sort of helped you get an understanding of what a typical Blanton Hall room looks like with nothing in it, what you might expect if you are moving in. Subscribe to my channel if you want more videos about Montclair State University, as well as just other fun videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.